All right, there's a big news break coming in at this point of time. Priyanka Vadra has lost her government bungalow. That's a big breaking development coming in at this moment. There's details just coming in even as we speak. But the Lodhi estate residence of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Let's go across to Navika Kumar. Navika Kumar, the Lodhi estate residence of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will no longer be her home of residence. Take us through exactly what has happened.
That's right. This is the government notification, and this says Ministry of Home Affairs has informed via its communication dated the 30th of June, which is, I seem to have lost that letter. Just 1 second. Yeah. This is where it says dated 30th of June 2020 that Srimati Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has been assigned Z plus security with CRPF cover on an all India basis, which does not have any provision for allotment and retention of a government accommodation. On that ground, she is no longer an SPG protectee now. So on 30th of June, this intimation has come from the Ministry of Home Affairs to the Ministry of Urban Development, from where Directorate of Estates issues letters for government occupied bungalows, and it says here persons with Z plus security cover are not entitled to government accommodation. Exceptions can be made only by the Cabinet Committee on Accommodation based on security perception assessment by the Ministry of Home Affairs on their recommendation. In view of this, she is no longer entitled for government accommodation, and her allotment has been cancelled by the Directorate of Estate on the 1st of June. Well, this is the 1st of July right here mentioned, and from the 1st of July, no cover will be given to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra of a government accommodation, and clearly this now means that she has to vacate her house within the next 30 days, within the next 1 month. So 1st of August, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will have to now live in her private accommodation, and this private accommodation will not be offered by the government. The government bungalow 35 Lodhi estate that has been allotted to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Robert Vadra and their family, to both of them since 1997. So it's 23 years that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has been staying in this house. In the next 30 days, the Vadra family will have to vacate this bungalow, 35 Lodhi estate, because according to the Home Affairs Ministry, which informed in a communication on the 30th of June, 30th of June is when this was announced, and this is the date when it was announced, and it says that she is no longer permitted for this. And on the 1st of July, a letter has gone to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra for vacating this accommodation, 35 Lodhi estate. It was given, in fact, let me just show you. This was given to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. It says right here, Srimati Priyanka Gandhi Vadra was allotted bungalow number 35 Lodhi estate on 21st of February 1997 on security ground as a SPG protectee. Cabinet Committee on Accommodation in its meeting held on 7th of December 2000 charged her a rate of 50 times the normal rent as a rental that she had to pay. By July 2003, these were revised downwards, and then it became 20 times the market rent which was given to them. And now Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, after 23 years, will not be allowed to live in a government accommodation. She will have to vacate this residence. Let me also tell you how many people have got this this kind of residence. KPS Gill had got under the terror perception for him. Bitta was another ex-Congress leader who had a terror attack on his life. He had one. Mr. L.K. Advani has a government accommodation for life, even though he does not have at this moment a parliament position. Let me also tell you, Murli Manohar Joshi in 2019 got a 3-year term for a government accommodation, which comes to an end in 2022. Apart from this, really, nobody else has been given any accommodation according to the background information available so far. So very clearly, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will have to vacate her bungalow, 35 Lodi Estate, a bungalow she's lived in for the last 23 years, and now because she's no longer an SPG protectee, and the fact that she has Z plus security with CRPF cover across the country, this will no longer be a perk that the Vadras will be able to enjoy anymore.